It's an exciting time when you have a child starting school. Students must have a balanced curriculum to thrive and master the basics of reading and writing. Through your child's early education career, they will take many assessment tests to measure their knowledge. These are important because based on the assessment, teachers can offer more support to increase their understanding. By giving assessments to students, teachers can identify skills students have and have not mastered. They are better able to monitor students' progress by assessing students. Assessments also give guidance to teachers and allow them to make informed decisions about what is appropriate for each student. If students' assessments are improving, then the teacher will know that instruction is effective. If the student is not improving, teachers are able to work on improving their instruction and going about it a different way. One example of a reading assessment that your child may take is the assessment of literacy in language, or otherwise known as ALL, A-L-L. This can be given individually or in a group setting and is focused on lower elementary, pre-K through first grade. This test is administered in English and is a collection of assessments. Some of the skills assessed are basic concepts: word relationships, rhyme knowledge, letter knowledge, sight word recognition, and phonics knowledge. This assessment can have the raw scores converted into percentile ranks, and it was also standardized, so it gives us a reliable expected range for pre-K to first grade students and what they should be at. Not only does this test work as an initial screening for all children, but it also has a diagnostic assessment for the students who did not perform well on the initial indicator assessment. As we all know, reading and writing are related, and your child's writing will be assessed as well. Using rubrics is the most common way to assess writing, and the items on the rubric range from general state-mandated standards to items specific to the assignment. Writing can also be assessed using checklists and rating scales. Not only can teachers assess writing samples, but students can assess their own work and their peers' work. A specific writing assessment that helps teachers provide clear and consistent feedback to students is the 6+1 writing model of instruction and assessment. This assessment can be used across the curriculum, so it's important all staff is educated in it. It is a set of rubrics that you use, and these rubrics can support children, either the rubric for K through second grade, as they're just starting to learn how to write, or the rubric for 3rd through 12th grade, which is for those older students. And these rubrics support writing standards, and they are field tested and research based. The rubrics will provide a starting point for teachers to start discussions with students on how to strengthen their writing. The creators of this assessment will provide training and assessment support as needed to be sure that the staff is confident in using the model on their own. There are many types of assessment, but all quality assessment will be a process of inquiry. Assessment should serve students' interests and encourage students to become engaged in their reading and writing. Teachers are the most important agent of assessment as they design, assign, observe, collaborate, and interpret the work of students in their classroom. While assessments have multiple purposes, the primary purpose is to improve teaching and learning. It allows us to reflect on and adjust our curriculum and instruction. Assessment is important not only for teachers and students, but for families, administrators, and the public. Investing in the education of children is essential to our future.